Hello, I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Today we're going to learn how to parallel park. It's actually very easy, just follow all the instructions in this video and you'll be able to park correctly. On our channel you will find many videos to help you become an experienced driver. Subscribe to the channel and we will get you started. Step 1. Find a suitable location where your vehicle will visually fit. To safely execute the maneuver, ensure the gap is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. Experienced drivers might manage with less space, while novices may require additional room for a safety buffer when maneuvering in and out of the parking spot. Step 2. Position yourself parallel to the vehicle in front of you, keeping a distance of 2 to 3 feet or 1 meter. You can use your vehicle's side mirrors to do this. Align the right passenger side mirror with the driver's side mirror of the vehicle you intend to park behind. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly reverse until you can see the 2 headlights of the car behind you in your left mirror. Step 3. Straighten your vehicle's wheels in reverse until the front of your vehicle is over the rear bumper of the vehicle in front of you. Step 4. Turn your vehicle's wheels to the left and continue to reverse until your car is level with the vehicle behind you. Step 5. Straighten the wheels again and move forward slightly to get into the correct position. So let's review the procedure. 1. Find a large enough parking space. 2. Place the vehicle parallel to the vehicle in front of you. 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing. 4. Straighten the wheels and drive in reverse some more. 5. Turn the wheels fully to the left and level the vehicle. Parallel parking poses a significant challenge for novice drivers. Initially, mastering parallel parking is daunting due to the precise maneuvers required to align the vehicle accurately within the parking space. So what does it take to master parallel parking? More practice, of course. Find a less busy stretch of road with free parking spaces and practice well. This will give you the opportunity not to get confused when parking on those parts of the road where there is more traffic. If you are afraid of damaging other cars, you can practice parking with cones first. If there are no cones, use big water bottles. Here's how to do it. Find a vacant stretch of road. Take 2 cones and place them about 15 feet apart to create an area the size of a real parking space. Practice until you understand the maneuver and feel confident in your ability to parallel park. After that, you can move on to real situations with real parking spaces. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Drive safely and take care.